So I've been using this cheap card holder right here that has an AirTags holder, and it has really served me well for, quite some time now. But we have a new item right here that we're going to be reviewing. It's from Ekster. It's an EDC wallet with an AirTag holder. So hopefully this is much better, especially for the price. This is almost about like $100 compared to this cheap ass $20 wallet that I have been using for like a few years now. So let's open this up. I've had Ekster before, but it didn't really have any AirTags, and I'm really deep into the AirTags and Apple ecosystem, so I've had to check these ones. I don't even remember what this brand is anymore, but the Ekster is significantly more premium, or feels more premium than this one, obviously, but we're gonna see if it's worth the price for $100 over this $20. Anyways, we have it right here. So the packaging is pretty minimal. It does the feel it's not glossy, so it feels kind of, in my opinion, kind of like a bit premium expected for the price. But here is the actual EDC wallet right here. Wow, so this one, especially this belt or this strap right here, feels significantly premium, or like better than what I used to have before, like a few years ago, probably like more than 5 years ago. So this one is it rubber? Yeah, it's more like leather rubber, not the other like braided type of strap. And then I chose I think this was a gray one, not the black one, because I want to, look something different other than boring black all the time. But what I noticed now, I see some smudges on my fingers already. So, I mean, it's not really a big issue, but yeah, I can definitely see it's not smudge proof or something. So that's the first one on this side with the Ekster logo. And then on the other side, you can see a plate right here where you can put more extra cards, I guess, if you need to, with this AirTags holder, which is pretty neat. I like it. It looks very, very neat, minimal, and clean. It also has the Ekster branding right here, whatever and stuff. They even include some sample cards right here for you to see. Also, we have the button right here, or lever or something. Yeah, it's a push button where you can pretty much open the cards. I don't know if you want to hold it like this or this. It doesn't matter. Maybe this one is better because you can use your pinky. No, actually, it's hard to use the pinky. You push it right here, and this comes out. Although, oh, it might be okay. Yes. So the card was on the way of the button. So let's do it again. Oh. Takes a bit of effort though, by the way, just so you know. Let's do it again, because it's new, but it should be like this. It's a bit stuck for some reason. Maybe it's because there's way too many cards inside, but it shouldn't be. Yep. So it's not. It's just that, I guess, we have about like 6 cards right here. Hopefully I can use, or I can put 6 actual credit cards inside instead of these cardboard ones, because that definitely was not smooth. See? And it got stuck some reason, and you can't put it back in. So that's interesting. Okay, that's a thing already. To be honest, let's try 5, but these are cardboard cards actually. Okay, so 5 is not a problem. It goes back in. You can put 6, but I guess it's too tight. I don't know why. But they're claiming you can put 6 inside here, and then you can put more here. Especially I have about like 10 or 11 cards that I bring. I don't know why, but I feel like those are the necessary ones, because, I don't want to forget a card that I might need to use, like going to Costco. I don't really use it a lot, but in case I have to go to Costco, I don't have to remember it. Anyway, so this one, you can also put more cards on this side right here, although it's a bit of an effort to put, especially when you have like more. Okay, like I've put about 7 cards right here, so it does get thick if you need to. But I don't know why. I think I have lots of cards that I need to put, or I carry around, but that's about like 10 to 11. Most people, I would say, would have less than 10 cards. But again, this is pretty premium. We're gonna put more cards in here. My actual credit cards and stuff here in ID, and hopefully this is way better for the price than this. Okay, so this is very, very minimal. You get this and no other accessories. Everything is in here. So we're gonna try to do that. Bear with me. What we want to do is put the first 3, the main cards that I frequently use, in the front. Then probably at the back would be my IDs. The middle ones are I guess the least ones you can be using, because it's in the middle stuff. But we're gonna try this now. So yeah, so actually 6 is a bit of a limit, to be honest. And then it gets stuck. Yeah, I mean, it does hold 6, but it's really stuck. So I don't know if that's a problem. It is. It does indeed a problem. Now I can't. This one is stuck. Okay, not a good start for Ekster this time. I never had this problem before, actually, to be honest, but I don't know why. Let's try the metal one at the back, because it does, you know, snuck right in like perfectly with 6 cards. Okay, so that worked. Having a metal at the back actually worked. Let's try to put the, I don't know why, that's kind of weird that the regular card wouldn't work. It gets stuck. You have to really snap it harder, like push it harder, the lever of the button, for it to work properly. Although the middle one goes really high. If you put it slowly, actually now it's working. I guess it just needs some breaking in. It's like a break in of the car. So now it does work. Okay, yeah, so there you go. One more time. Okay, there you go. Although it's not the smoothest cascading layer, but it works. So we're gonna add more. Actually, let me put the AirTags first. How do you actually, let me see if it's easy to put in. Okay, actually that's not bad. Okay, that was quite easy to put. So now this material though is dust magnet for some reason. I'm seeing all these dust already sticking to these type of strap material. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but I can see it right here. All right, so this is how it looks now. This is how thick it is now with all my cards, real cards inside. I must say though, I don't have any embossed cards anymore. Most of them are, you know, pretty much like flat and plain. So this is how it looks like. This was my old wallet right here, although I still have some cash right here. So we're gonna be putting the cash on the other side. One thing to know beforehand with these card holders is that it's not really designed for carrying lots of cash. So especially with cash, you can't really fold it like this. You have to fold it like, you know, the third or 3-way, like fold it really, really small. It's kind of like this one, but this is quite thick. Especially I normally don't carry lots of cash with me, but this is a good test. That requires a lot of effort. So it's gonna look like this. This is how you're gonna be carrying a card and with the cash in here. It's not the best when you have lots of cash. It's not designed to bring lots of cash out, to be honest, but you can't put it like this sideways because, you know, obviously this is too slim. That makes me, which reminds me that I need to, I guess, get rid of some of the cash right here. Put the cash aside. All right, so since this is metal, it's significantly heavier than this, noticeably, basically. But look at the dimension difference, or size difference. This is a lot slimmer, and this is wider, although it can get thick. Well, I mean, it looks premium, you know, it looks neat, I'd say. Then we'll see if, so it doesn't fall off, especially I have lots of metal cards that are heavy. So it is quite snug in there. Then, okay, works. Pretty good. We're gonna see, actually, with all the cards inside, we're gonna weigh it. I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna try to weigh it down. This one with all leather, the cheap one, this is about 32 grams, the cheap wallet. Let's remove all the cards right here, including the AirTag. So empty Ekster wallet with AirTag, 79 grams. So more than half. Actually, no, take that back. More than double, rather. Now, with all the cards inside, 201 grams. So definitely way more, way heavier than this, but it's more durable as well. These are metal. Although this one is hard plastic here, but look, it looks pretty neat in my opinion. And you know, looks clean. And I like the fact that they were able to design an AirTags holder that is it doesn't look too bulky. It's a little flat on the top, even though, you know, that's still there. But it's not too bad, especially I wear skinny jeans and stuff. So this looks pretty good. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to get this one. Although, again, this is an investment, you know, coming from like $20-25 to about like $100 for this one. But I think this is pretty durable. It looks pretty good. So far, it's not really falling off. Although one thing was that it needed the button and the lever to pull it up, push it up rather, needed some breaking in or something. There was some bloopers earlier, but I think this is good so far. Although, do you really need to buy this one? No, this actually works or has been good to me for like how many years and all that. But if you want a durable one, you don't mind the price, yeah, you can get this one. Otherwise, if your budget, you're budget conscious right now, this will definitely work. Don't forget to smash. Oh no. All right, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you more on the next video and other reviews.